Yes, people, we're heading out. Okay, this boy got practice. Even though we have a little snowstorm situation. But we are go outside, see him. I'm going to zip up my jacket. Oh my god, I'm going to zip up my jacket. I don't know see this. In a cold still now, but I zip up. Where's the key for close the door? They're in the cold still. You take up a bag for me? Grocery bag over there, sir?
You take a bag in the bag?
No, I'm going to take a bag.
Come on, take the bag now, you take the bag.
Hey, you figure back inside.
Oh, you have shoes now, give me shoes now.
Everyone shoes too. I'm gonna run something ready. Me think say you clean off camera so. Alright. Yeah. Alright, come along guys, come along. You know my eyes are carrying with me, I don't know if that's snow. Yeah. Ooh la la. Pick stuff at the mall. Come on, stop. Why didn't you go meet her for me? Oh my god, right here. I know. Right, just so. Somebody that's right across from the game shop.
I didn't know this was here. I thought this was a barber shop.
No, the barber shop is over there.
No, because
Right next door. Yeah, that's the barber shop there. Oh, she's busy.
And if they ask like what size to say there.
Hi, how are you?
Good. How can I help you?
So we're just
size is that.
we're checking to see if we could get this size down to his size. If you do this type of
Put
stuff.
it on and go ahead.
Wait,
The room is empty.
And what's the cost? So I want to know what's the cost first too. You have my shirt underneath? Okay, good.
this after.
Put it on.
Put it on. Before I start the pinning, I let you know how much it is.
Yeah, so yeah, put it on and then we'll let you know.
Looking over the $35. And then you want to shorten.
Yeah, to make it small.
Just make a shorten. You're looking about the $32.
So
35 and 32.
That's
And shorten the sleeves. Need to shorten the sleeves too. So shorten the sleeves is at $28.
so what's the total to do that?
that's like just do the math. That's like 32 plus 35, 67.
Hold on.
Then she said 21, right?
Hold on. And what would you do about the hood part here? Because this part is kind of big too.
This one, the hood is fine.
No, man, it's big.
This hood?
You want to go a little bit down.
Without the hood is a $92.
Oh my God! Oh no!
That's without. That's for everything.
Oh no! That's like buying another one.
No, that's just.
All right. Nope. You got people $92 for Alta one sweater. You can imagine? How big in the world is $92? You put it $92. $92. Crazy? But you tell me to go, what do you mean? Yes, peeps. So make another stop. Oh, I dropped off my son already. He was early, but because I'm so excited, I'm early, so I'm gone in. So we'll come make another stop. We'll come make another stop at this project my husband I work on. You know, I feel hungry. Yeah, we'll make another stop on a job site here for just check on something. But yeah, the road messy, man. The road is very messy outside today, but you know. For me, I don't stay home now. Cause I don't know the shrubs are doing come to me and driving, especially at winter time, huh? Yeah. Especially, I don't know already. So, a girl do not like to drive worse when them look white something up on the road, my love. No sir, no thank you. Yeah, but that's what's up. So when we leave this location, we're gonna go to the West Indian store. I'm gonna try. I think more some fish tomorrow for dinner. Some fish and rice and peas. I haven't had that in a while, so I'm gonna be making fish and rice and peas for dinner. And of course, you know my son don't eat fish, so I'm gonna make some chicken, maybe some French fried chicken for him. I might just fry it and cook it them. I'm like that too. So I don't know how I'm gonna do it yet, but definitely gonna make fish for me and Howard. And Gabby's coming on Monday. She's on reading week, so she come. I don't know why she come. Oh well, she said because of the snowstorm. So and the tickets are expensive to come because I know reading week, so it's a little bit more expensive. So it's cheaper to come Monday. Monday is family days. Family day holiday, by the way. So happy family day when it comes to all the families. You don't know, we need like a time best, you know, spend with the families and stuff. So yeah, big up to Canada for that, you know. That's one of the best holiday, I think, you know, family day, a day to spend with your family, you know. But yeah, so that's what when I leave here, I'm gonna be, well, we're gonna be heading to the West Indian store, get some fish, maybe some mutton. Hopefully they have mangoes like they did last time. And yeah, grab a few stuff, some bun, some little biscuit, you know, little Jamaican, some of them, and little bulla, little, you know. I think I want cheese. I haven't had cheese in a while. Talk no man on one thing, gonna nail go on, nail all up, all up, nail all up, alright. Yeah, so I'm just gonna stay tuned and come along with me for the ride, okay? Please, guys, please, and just subscribe now. It's free. It is. I think some people are thinking that to subscribe it's actually you have to pay, but it's free. I'm going my friend come in. But yeah man, so go on to the door, pick up yourself. Remember to like, share, comment and subscribe, alright? Tell a friend, tell another friend. Hey, what go on? Come in man. Come say hi to the vlog. Alright, come to. May I tell you to come on the side here? May I tell you come on the side here, what go on? Everything good?
Everything best.
Yeah man, you subscribe to the channel already?
What kind of vlog you have, vlog? Yeah,
Everything. Alright, so for there man. Alright, take it easy. Alright, ooh, look at this. It's my mango. It's much fun for mango people. Much fun. Wait the bag there. Come here, come do this. Get some of the mango here.
See, these ones aren't ready yet, but these ones are. We'll just, yeah. I put them in the freezer.
Egg before. Make some soup. I'm back to that board down. I'm back to that board down. Did you cut the way? Wait, how much is it? What did that? Let's put cheese on it. Let's move on. Come on, for cream crackers. Come. Oh, chips. I'll see cream crackers. Come. I'm gonna feel cheese. good old ice cream. Where is it? I look for Jamaican cheese, but I'm not seeing it. Anyway, I'm not learning already, so. Let's see cheese on. Thank you. Hold on, put the ice cream in your bag. Put the ice cream in your bag. Put my bag full up. Oh, you want carrot for me? Take it now. Take it now, heavy now. Thank you. Whew. Thank you, thank you. Look at the people outside. Amazing. Look at that's so far in the park. But I'm hungry, man. I'm hungry right now. Whew. It's a messy day. Cool hard part of me cool. put the snack bag there, friend. Come on, 2 snack for the munch. No, like okay, put them and take it away. Oh shit, yes, I did. Let's take out 2 of them biscuits there. We just munch. Because Racha. No mango then squeeze up in the cars. And too expensive. They squeeze up. So munch one 2 of them biscuits. Oh, open the door. God damn, man, I freeze people. No one gloves. Thank you, thank you. I freeze. Spin.
Come on, Shins. Get going, Shins.
Yeah.
That's a beard.
Oh, parents. Oh. I didn't ready for that. Okay, I didn't know. Oh, whatever here. I'm ready for head on. Cool, man. Where you walk sideways? Alright, let's go. Yeah. practice is over, but I care. I want to warm up. Go and get some warm up, man. It's cold, man. It's cold. The road is so bad. Oh my God. Come key on, put me. So pull from next side. Oh my God. I have to pull from the other side there. Watch me pull on our window too far. You see, I have to pull the door from the side there. Okay, the door from the lock. That freeze! Nice and warm. Why didn't I come out for the... Plantain with dirty girl aka tin mackerel. Only had the small cans, so I get the small cans. Don't know. Fave plantain chips, salt, some spice bun. I'm gonna get the other one. Yeah, never try this. It's a ghost pepper hot sauce. I never tried because I don't know. I have cream crackers. I have a good old bowl right there. So that nice with milk. I don't know already how it strips. Some scallion, some thyme, and of course a good old scotch bonnet pepper. See there? 2 packs. Yeah, no. And it's this. Watch who said no mango time? Who said no mango time? So now I'm getting them there. I will have a fish, freshwater fish, saltwater fish, snapper, whatever. Some beef. I make some red pea soup on there. Some turkey neck, some chicken foot, and this is a piece of pork. Yeah, pork. So that's that from the Caribbean store. So yes guys, so today is Sunday and I'll be cooking rice and peas with fish and some fried chicken wings, so stay tuned. Okay, I'm back for you guys. And I was gonna make fish for dinner. I only need 3 fish because I'm smelling Howard, and then that's my season cucumber. I didn't have carrots because I forgot to buy again, and I tried to order online, but because of the storm there is no drivers available, so I'll do what I have for today until probably tomorrow, or so I go to the grocery store. But yeah, so fish fry, season cut up right there, so and that's that. Okay. And I'm done, so I'm gonna buy a already. So rice already in a pot. Small pot of rice may I cook today. Okay? That's that. Oh, and I make some fried chicken for my son, because you know him not eat fish. So I do some wings, fried chicken wings for him. Okay?